Welcome to the Gorlitz Hot Performance Garage channel. I'm going to move the Chevelle outside so I can get to my other fender back there for the bedside for the beast, for the big blue beast. Plus I added a set of these just moments ago. I don't know, kind of been up a little bit, but they've been sitting around here for a long time. I bought them for my square body, but they wouldn't fit. And here, these windows are smaller than on the 73 to 87s. So, yeah, we got her. We got it. So, okay. Let's start this puppy. Get it outside here. Get my old ass, stiff ass in here. Oh. My friend here has been waiting to get out. Okay. I'm gonna pump this puppy. To fuel pump her in a second. Boy, when she comes to life, she comes to life. Are shaking. Pretty dusty. smells good. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh. As you can see, I have a hole in my wheel pan. I haven't got to fix it. Doesn't really smell like anything. It just smells like oil, and I guess because it's on the floor. But there you go. Hopefully that's what you're all waiting for. Yes. Yeah, it ain't no wonder that those 70 Chevelles are so popular. I mean, fuck, man. Look at it. It's a fucking work of art. A work of art. These old cars. Everybody wants one of them 70 Chevelles right now. Everybody. Not everybody, but you know what I mean. If I ever got rid of it, I would never get what I want for it. Of course, everything's high, and then I would get it, and then I wouldn't be able to get another car because everything would surpass the money that I have in that I got from the car. So, and it's just a Malibu anyway. It's not a real super sport. It's not a heavy Chevy. I just put all that stuff on there myself to put my own flair on it because it's mine. I do with it whatever. So, still got to haul some junk away. Got a good bit of junk cleaned up around here the other day. Got a good bit of junk cleared up here. So hopefully everybody enjoyed that. And got a lot of cleaning up in here to do. Lots of cleaning. I don't have enough jugs here to hold fuel in, so I might go buy some more maybe. Yeah, it's a mess back here. But anyway, like, share, comment, subscribe, or don't. It's up to you. You want to, that's just fine. So, all right, everybody. Have a good one. I'll see you next time.